Well, it's our pleasure now to welcome a very beautiful girl with a very beautiful song. From the number 4 spot in the charts, it's Julie Rogers with The Wedding.
You by my side, that's how I see us.
Talaga namang nung bata-bata yan, mas maganda siya noon. Bagong maganda siya ngayon, ano ha? Kaya lahat ng lalaki naaakit sa kanya eh. Mas maswerte siya dahil nga ay ako ang pinili niya. Ganun yan. Hindi, ganun. Saka napakabait, napakasipag, maalalahanin. Masikaso sa mga anak.
I see the church, I see the preacher. Your folks of mine, happy and smiling. And I can hear sweet voices sing.
Siya naman, talagang mabait siya, walang bisyo.
Yun ang isa pinagbabalaki ko.
Yun ang number 1 na magaling at maasikaso din.
This can really be that someday you'll walk down the aisle with me. Let it be, make it be that I'm the one for you.
Sabi ni Jesus, love one another as I have loved you. No, hindi ito yung kung gusto, kung paano nyo lang mahalin ang isa't isa, hindi. As I have loved you. Magmahalan kayo tulad ng pagmamahal ko sa inyo.
And I can hear sweet voices sing. Ave Maria.
Pag-ibig na hindi natitinag at isang pamana na binuo sa biyaya, sakripisyo at pangako. Yung 60 taon ng kasal, 21,000 days pala po yun. No? Imagine niyo yan, 21,000 days. Mga araw na puno ng tawanan, pag-aaral, mga hamon, mga hindi mabilang na mga pagsubok, ganun din naman ng tagumpay.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. And we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running. Nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Aking may bahay na si Mamer, sa kanya, wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Ito.
Wala nang iba.
Lakasan mo.
Mahal kita. Wala nang iba.
Finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go. Here we go.
Kung saan ang pag-ibig ay hindi lamang binibigkas, kundi isinasabuhay. I hope and I pray that your success in your marriage life will be a beacon of light and hope